All right, this will be a cold start video for a 1975 Honda CL360 Scrambler. I apologize for the wind noise, but it's a little breezy out here in North Georgia this spring. This is the first time this motorcycle's been out of the garage here for a couple of months. Let me just show you that it is in fact cold. And so we'll turn the key to on. We'll turn the fuel petcock on. It's had preservative in it this winter. We will also turn the choke on, go up to the handlebars and turn the run switch to run. And now we'll see if we start. Let me get the choke down. And just loads of fun to ride. We'll rev it up one at a time. Alright, thank you for watching 1975 Honda CL360 Scrambler.